Hey guys, my name is Mike and welcome back to AXC Garage, a channel that's built for today's Acuras, Hondas, and all the classics. On today's episode, we want to introduce you with our brand new project, a vehicle that has a very special place in my heart. Growing up, I wish I'd be able to see this car in person, and let alone be able to work on it. And on today's episode, we want to introduce you with this 1999 Honda Civic Type R RX. First thing, let's take a look at the front end, then under the engine bay. This is a 1999, so it has the newer headlight, bumper, lip, and also the grille under the hood. It is a B16B. The valve cover, as you can see, start to show age a little bit. It's been 20 years old, so things are start peeling, but we got something special coming for that. Looking all around, the car is mostly stock. The only thing that we do see that is aftermarket is this, looks like a Grady water temperature sensors that is over here. That's something that we actually going to remove, and also that we found that pretty cool, a brace, maybe a Cusco brace for the brake master cylinder, that I think that's pretty cool. I actually like that. But moving along, let's take a look at the body. The body are really clean. It does have some dents all the way around, so we're gonna have a dent removal to take care of a lot of the dent. But overall, the paint is in very good condition. A little wax, a little polishing should do perfect. Next thing, let's take a look at the wheels. Iconic championship white CTR 15-inch wheels. The car is over 20 years old, so it starts to show a little age, discoloration, little chips here and there. Don't worry, we have a solution for this. Very iconic amber fender light. What about these mirrors? Power folding mirrors. let's take a look at the interior. First thing you're gonna see is these red Ricardo seat. I love this thing here. Iconic CTR steering wheel here. Also, red armrest that matches the seat. I love that. Like I mentioned before, this is an RX model, so it has power windows, also aluminum pedals. What about this? Carbon fiber look bezel here. I love that. Something a little different from a US model. See that little thing right here? That switch from air coming out from here or here. I thought that's really cool. Again, iconic CTR steering wheel. Oh, that works. Of course, and also don't forget the CTR gauge cluster, red line like 8400 RPM, yellow needles. This car has about 142,000 kilometers. Comment below and let us know how much is that in mileage. But moving forward, power folding mirrors, pretty cool. Contrail that's a whole lot bigger than a US model. Also, as you can see, the car has been lowered. The front is a lot lower than the back. So the first thing we will do on the checklist is get the height adjusted. The car does have a set of TN coilovers, so the adjustment should be pretty easy. After the adjustment, we're gonna have a wheels and tire solution. So we got the car on the lift. Let's take a look at what we have here. At 140,000 kilometers, not a drop of oil. The oil pan does looks like it started to get moisture or oil right around the gasket area, so it should be a pretty easy fix there. Moving along with the tires, let's take a look at this here. This tire see a better days. Look at all that crack, a lot of wears, dry rotted. This tire just about to go at any time. Steering systems is good, no leakage there. All the bushings are still good. Like I mentioned before, it does have a set of TN coilovers, so for us to make that adjustment should be a pretty simple task. After the alignment, obviously, as we can see, the front tires, we're probably gonna have to do a four-wheel alignment. It does have the original exhaust system from the front of the headers all the way back to the B pipe to the muffler. I love this muffler. Similar design of the ITR, but the tip and the canister itself is just much smaller. Car is from Japan. It does not appear to have any sort of major rust at all. Very clean, very clean. Great example. So what do you guys think so far? This is one of many episodes we're gonna have on this EK9 Civic Type R, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you guys don't miss anything on this entire build series. On the next episode, our team going to be adjusting the coilover system, make sure the front and the back is completely even, and also we're going to show you guys what we have for wheels and tires. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We hope to see you guys on the next one.